Check, check.
Hi.
Our teacher is very kind.
Our teacher is fun and makes learning exciting.
They always help me something that I can't do. Our teachers are inspirational and they teach us new things every day.
I will say our teacher is very Sigma.
They are so friendly and care for us.
They are incredibly awesome, especially when they teach us.
I like Miss Fitri because she's kind. Miss Alpha is funny. Miss Warta is sweet to me. I like Miss Ai because it's nice. Miss Mola is fun.
My teacher gives me a motivation.
Carefully.
Happiness.
I like my teacher because she is honest.
Because she is friendly.
Thank you for teaching us. Bye.
Bye bye.